Dear hiring manager, my name is Medali Morales, and, I am currently studying environmental and occupation safety engineer. I am ready to apply for the interpretation position and her previous company. I possess a strong analytic organization in communication skills. I am highly responsible, proud, kids, and capable of working in flexible boards, independence, and wide multiple times. I am Peruvian youth. I assisted field operation, monitored technical activities, uh, coordinated things efficiently and ensure compliance with safety procedure. These responsibilities strengthen my problem-solving abilities and professional competence. I am confident that my background and dedication will allow me to contribute positive to our organization. Sincerely, Melanie Morales.